Welcome, everybody. This week, the Angler Chronicles crew is at the beautiful city of Lake Elsinore as we celebrate and participate in the 6th annual Dream Extreme Fishing Derby. It's a 2-day event hosted by the Lake Elsinore Hotel and Casino in beautiful Lake Elsinore. There's plenty of water, plenty of fish, and over 60 teams looking for the biggest catfish, largemouth bass, wiper, crappie, or carp. You know what? More than $15,000 worth of cash and prizes. It's going to be epic, like it always is. So stay tuned. It's going to be a great derby.
I love this place!
Angler Chronicles, providing exciting sport fishing action with Sergio and crew. With an emphasis on angler education through the Owner Hooks on the Water Fishing Schools, Angler Chronicles is determined to produce only the very best family entertainment. Stay tuned because Angler Chronicles with Sergio and crew is next.
I want you guys to enjoy 2 days of fishing and 2 days of brotherhood. You fish with me once, we're brothers forever. That's what it's all about, right? Have a great time on the water. Be safe. Please be safe. Because I don't swim very good, so I might just watch you sink.
Good morning, Angler Chronicles. Right now we're doing a check-in of the boats. I'm checking for life jackets, safety equipment, horns, checking the live wells and bait tanks. But more importantly, we're making sure that everybody has all the safety equipment that they need to have a safe day out here. We're giving away boxed lunches. We got turkey, ham, oranges, apples. We have to stay hydrated out here on the water. So we try to make sure that everybody is taken care of for the 2018 Dream Extreme Fishing Derby.
All right, William, we'll get him.
Me and my nephew Tanner out here today, gonna do some good fishing. Hopefully we knock it out, team hooked up, right on. You good, buddy? You ready to have some good times?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna knock it dead, huh?
Team Fishbone's ready to get them. Good luck to everybody else out there, and you get your own.
Yeah, we're doing Mac baits today. We're gonna go out there, we're gonna kill it today.
All right.
Last year we did pretty good. We're gonna see if we can top what we did last year and have a good time out here with all our fishing friends.
Yeah. Hopefully we put some fish on the boat today.
Team Two Brothers Fishing. You're gonna win.
San Diego.
What, are you gonna start off with a catfish?
The catfish.
Yeah?
Maybe I can outfish my wife this year.
How big a fish did you get?
9.5 pounds.
Yes.
9.5? What, did you?
Just barely missed.
They're putting some big fish in here. So you guys got a secret bait.
Three, two, one, first wave.
Folks, Wave 1 and Wave 2 are in the water. That means over 60 teams are ready to catch that big fish. Lots of kids, lots of women, so much so that even my wife is fishing it. So you know what? This today is going to be extreme.
Little robo worm, drop shot,
working that thing from the bank all the way back to the dock. Should we get any luck with that bad boy?
Yeah, this tournament, it's not a whole lot of pressure. It's more laid back, more of a family style event. Just come out here, have some fun, hang out with a bunch of other fishermen. Got a big one, dude. What the hell is this? Oh, I got something huge. That's gotta be dead.
Whoa!
Owner jig head.
Owner jig head.
Owner soft bait.
Yeah, we just called this cat with the other one.
2018 Dream Extreme on Bite on Mac Bites.
You're watching Angler Chronicles. We'll be right back.
Angler Chronicles, proud to be sponsored by Owner Perfection in Hooks, Carne de Teresa Quality Marinated Meats, Prairie Fresh Premium Pork, a taste like no other, and by Turner's Outdoorsman, your fishing, hunting, and shooting headquarters since 1971.
Lake Elsinore Dream Extreme. All right, we got a little carp action going on here. There's a nice one. Bam! Hey, Melissa, we got one. Got a carp right off the dock. We're in the money, baby. Got him on my corn tortillas, telling you.
Hi, my name is Grant Yates. I'm the city manager for the city of Lake Elsinore. We are Southern California's best kept secret. The city has invested quite heavily over the last several years in a fish stocking program. We're really excited to unveil the changes here at our campground. We have a vintage Airstream village where you can come with your family, rent an Airstream for the weekend. We fully restored them and you can come and have a wonderful camping experience here in a vintage Airstream. We also have built a number of yurts, and if you go to our website you can see the different styles that we have, and we can hold up to 30 people in one of our yurts. We'd like to invite everybody to come enjoy beautiful Lake Elsinore. Come visit our baseball stadium, come visit our lake, come stay at Launch Point RV Resort, and if you get here, you spend a few days here, you will fall in love with this community like we have. Thank you very much.
That's a nice fish, Noah. Let me see it. Wow. We got Noah here.
Awesome.
What it weighs. You ready?
Go.
2.65
pounds.
Yeah. High five, high five.
All right. 7.15 pounds for
We got 4 between the two of us.
We got one good one.
There you go. All right. Ready, guys? 7.58 pounds. Nice catfish.
All right, folks, with the 6th annual Dream Extreme Fishing Derby. Nice catfish. What did it come on?
On a little swim bait.
Oh, nice swim bait. And the bass?
Same
Little
thing.
owner soft bait.
Soft bait. See, owner soft bait. Very, very good.
Hey, Mike.
Oh, nice save. Nice save.
Nice wicked catch.
Put them in. You guys ready? 6.21 pounds.
Latest update. Biggest carp so far at the 6th annual Dream Extreme Fishing Derby. What did it come in at?
6.21.
6.21, and what was it caught on?
Can't say.
Can't say. I love that.
secret, man.
Secret bait.
Secret bait.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Last
Lake
minute.
Elsinore is biting, huh? Yes,
you in
it
here,
is.
you're missing out.
All right, there you
That's
go,
right.
boys.
Bomb food at Dream Extreme. Always.
Make it happen. Look at that. That's only one rib. It don't get any better than that. She loves her ribs also.
Five for 20, baby. 5 for 20. Those are the winners, right? Yes, they are. All right, perfect.
For Saturday's first place winner in the carp division goes to team number 2, Hookup, with a 7-pound, 31-ounce carp. Their winning is $195. First place in the bass division goes to Team Fat Hookers. Great job, guys.
Good drum roll.
First place in the catfish division goes to team number 1 with an 8-pound, 8-ounce catfish, Team Sippy Cup.
This is Angler Chronicles at Lake Elsinore with the Ram Girls. We'll be right back.
All right, folks, day 1's a wrap. Yesterday was awesome, great fish caught. This is a 5-species derby. You can catch catfish, carp, bass, crappie, and wipers. You have to be on the water, anything that floats. Float tube, kayak, stand-up paddleboard, jet ski. It's an amazing format just to get families, friends, husbands, wives, grandparents, and grandsons. So come out. If you haven't done it, Dream Extreme Fishing Derby is where you want to be.
Team Sushi Grade, and we're going to have some raw fish this afternoon. Even if we don't, I'll tell you, we've had a good time. This is really, really a blast. It is my first, and from now on, every year situation. Thank you very much.
I love the lake in the morning, just like glass.
There you go. There you go. Look at that fish.
Anglerettes all the way, baby.
We're at Lake Elsinore for the Dream Extreme Fishing Derby, and the catfish have been going crazy. And that's probably one of the greatest things to catch here. So what we recommend, and what's been working all weekend, is a fly line setup. So basically, it's your line straight to a hook. And what we want to do is use the Owner Aki Twist. I've been using the 7.0 straight to some fluorocarbon, about a 15-pound size fluorocarbon, and about a 6-foot leader. Why a 7.0? Because of the size of the bait. I've been using the Mac baits. So Tony from Bite On is right here, and he's going to demonstrate how to put on the Mac baits on an Owner hook.
Thank you, Serge, and let me show you how we're going to apply the Mac baits today. These are a perfectly pre-cut mackerel. They're already marinated in the Bite On Cajun. It's a really powerful combination of liquid attractant and bait that we're using. These catfish will actually hold it in their mouth and start to chew on that. As they take the bait away, that's when that hook setup is going to be the most powerful. This is a great combination of baits. It's been winning the derbies, and we'll see what happens today.
set in stone, defending champions of last year. This is 2018 Dream Extreme, baby. On the board already. It's just a blast. This is my wife, Melissa. She's fishing with me this time. Plan on getting some money when we come up for the weigh-in.
Angler Chronicles at Lake Elsinore. Stay tuned. We got a lot more.
Came in, tried to fish for some bass today, and had him eat a little mini jig in about 6 inches of water, and pretty nice for the day.
All right, what's the team name?
Team Easy Money.
Yeah, way to go, yeah.
Sweet, 682.
All right, here we are. 12 pounds at 19 ounces.
Dream Extreme 2018.
Good job, guys.
Good job. Yeah. Yeah.
Way to go, guys.
Yeah. Mac bites all the way, man. You want catfish? Go with Mac bites. Don't leave home without them.
Look at that.
8.22.
Look at the size of this catfish at Lake Elsinore. Lori, what did it weigh?
Over 8 pounds.
And you caught it on the Bite on Mech baits.
Bite on Mech baits.
Folks, this made the difference this weekend at Lake Elsinore for the 6th annual Dream Extreme Fishing Derby. Where to go, girl?
Yeah, woohoo! Lake Elsinore.
That's how it's done, folks.
Here in Lake Elsinore, we are building momentum at our newly renovated campground, and we have so much to share. So much is going on. We have invested a lot of money to create new memories and launch family memories, which is what we're all about, and we want you to come enjoy it.
He breathes like you too.
He's got a mustache like you.
There you go. Get his nose.
Team on target.
Ah, very nice.
That's going to be a good one. All right, here we go, guys.
Yeah, what's the team name?
Team e-bike, ebike.com.
Oh, wait a minute. That's not big enough, right?
Come on now.
Is that one big enough? Team Fishbone. Team Fishbone. Right here, guys.
Knocking them.
We did our best today.
Literally about 8 inches of water. Boy, I tell you, it was really tough today. Not as good as yesterday. We caught at least 12 fish and called 3 times. Today we caught 5 fish, and this is our biggest one right here. But we're so proud of it.
Here, Vic.
This is second fish for Thelma and Louise.
702.
7.63. Way to go.
Yeah.
Tippy Cup.
Oh.
She pulled it in.
And what's the team name?
Scout. Team Scout.
Very nice.
All right. Dream Extreme 2018.
This is Angler Chronicles with Lake Elsinore Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We'll be right back.
Angler Chronicles, proud to be sponsored by Owner Perfection in Hooks, Carne de Teresa, quality marinated meats, Prairie Fresh Premium Pork, a taste like no other, and by Turner's Outdoorsman, your fishing, hunting, and shooting headquarters since 1971.
With a 7-pound, 6-ounce carp, Team Castaway.
Team Castaway. This goes to Team Rivers. Where's Team Rivers? $835 for the 3rd largest fish overall. 3rd largest fish in the Derby, $835. We have $1,245 right here.
Team Fishbone. With an 8-pound, 6-8-ounce catfish.
Let's get the face size.
Overall, biggest fish, $2,080. That buys a lot of beer.
Team Sippy Cup.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first ever Councilman's Catfish Challenge, and I put up a $100 bounty to the biggest, fattest catfish that was caught on day one of our event here today. Team Sippy Cup and the date, the poundage, and a photo will appear on this plaque, and this will be a continuous plaque that'll hang at the bobber at Williams Bait and Tackle.
Nice.
You're the first ones.
Thank you.
I also want to say thank you to the Lake Elsinore Hotel and Casino. All right, the city of Lake Elsinore, the entire council.
Our special thanks to Scout Inflatables as well as the Lake Elsinore Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram dealer for their generosity. And thank you for watching the 6th Annual Dream Extreme Fishing Derby from beautiful Lake Elsinore. We'll see you next week on Angler Chronicles.